This is one of Beijing's plants and flower markets that I visit once or a couple times a year just to stockpile on my indoor plants. You can find any type of exotic plant. We're talking about outdoor plants, indoor plants, controlled environment plants. And also you will find some fruit trees as well that you can grow in your house or outside, and some pets. There's different types of pets if you live in an environment with kids. We're talking about some crabs, shrimp, fish, frogs, all that water tank environment controlled types of pets, and some herbs. Mainly when I come here, I just get one or two plants and look at the type of herbs that I can have, because eating fresh herbs, organic, indoor grown, personal grown herbs, I believe is better than getting some herbs from the supermarket every now and then. Not only will you get all these types of plants from these types of markets, you can also get them online, but coming here you have got a good selection of the plants. You can learn more about them, you can see the ones that you want and get them normally, which are the best fresh plants you can have, not to just buy online and be shipped anything that you didn't expect. So if you're interested about life in China and my experience in China, I recommend you subscribe and drop a comment below, as I'll be showing you more content on my product sourcing and e-commerce journey.